Hi folks, this is Charlie Fuller, certified business coach for over 20 years. Let me just say that building a cash flow business online is something that a lot of people are really interested in. Now, the idea of creating a profitable venture from scratch and being your own boss is pretty enticing. But where do you start? That's a big question. How do you go from zero to profit? Now, my team has put together a comprehensive course where we will provide you with a step-by-step instruction to help you build a successful online cash flow business. So whether you're a seasoned business owner looking to expand your operation or a beginner taking your first steps, this course is going to be for you. Now, throughout the course, we will cover everything you need to know to get started. From identifying a profitable niche, and let me just say that's a huge part, to developing and monetizing a marketing strategy. We're not going to leave any stone unturned. So if you're ready to kickstart your journey towards financial freedom and build a sustainable online business, let's get in gear. Now, let's dive into and discover how you can turn your passions into profit. Get ready to go from zero to profit with our step-by-step instructions for building an online cash flow business. I'll see you at the top.
Ever wondered how to turn that spark of entrepreneurial spirit into a thriving online business? The vast digital world might seem intimidating, but with the right steps, it's entirely possible to carve out your own corner of the internet marketplace. To start, it's crucial to identify your business concept. What product or service will you offer? Who is your target audience? How will you stand out from the competition? This step lays the groundwork for your entire business. So take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. Next comes the business plan. This isn't just a bureaucratic requirement, it's a roadmap to your success. Your business plan should detail your marketing strategies, financial projections, and operational plans. Remember, a well-structured business plan will not only guide your business growth, but also attract potential investors. Once you have your plan, you'll need to register your business. This involves choosing a unique business name, registering a domain name for your website, and complying with any legal requirements, such as licenses or permits. With the foundations laid, it's time to build your online presence. Design a user-friendly website that clearly communicates your brand and offerings. Social media platforms can also be powerful tools to reach your target audience and build relationships. But it doesn't stop there. You'll need to drive traffic to your online platforms. This is where search engine optimization, or SEO, and digital marketing strategies come into play. They'll help your business get found online and attract the right customers. And finally, it's all about customer satisfaction. Provide excellent customer service, deliver high-quality products or services, and listen to customer feedback. This will not only retain your existing customers, but also attract new ones through positive word of mouth. Now let's recap the steps in starting an online business. First, identify your business concept, which includes your product or service, target audience, and unique selling proposition. Second, create a comprehensive business plan that outlines your marketing, financial, and operational strategies. Third, register your business and comply with all legal requirements. Fourth, build your online presence through a website and social media platforms. Fifth, drive traffic to your online platforms via SEO and digital marketing strategies. And lastly, ensure customer satisfaction by providing excellent service and quality products or services. Remember, starting an online business is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires patience, dedication, and resilience. But with these steps, you're already on the path towards online entrepreneurship. Here's to turning dreams into digital reality.